Well, here it is. I don't know. We're looking at 14 hours. 14 hours. Yo guys, heading down to Alabama. Our drive, let's get out of the way. Gonna go mess around on the boat, maybe fish a little bit. I'll see you guys there. Let's get a time lapse going for you guys of the drive action.
Rocky gone crazy. Rocky gone crazy.
Rockstar status in the car with a automatic. Run up on me, you don't want no static. For a nigga, yeah, it could get tragic. Rockstar status in the car with a automatic. Run up on me, you don't want no static. For a nigga, yeah, it could get tragic. Make a nigga disappear like magic. Got like abracadabra. Yeah, I'm out chopper like Lenny Kravitz. Yeah, my bullets look like the toy cord. And oh my god, I'm a tool boy. I'ma shoot first, I'm a rude boy. Body gon' jet like a new boy. I'm getting tired of these new boys. Wait, I am a new boy. Feel like a vet, but I'm fresh like a rookie. I'm fucking your bitch, yeah, I'm up in them cookies. This bitch came from Jersey, she think call her Snooki. I put a brick on my arm. Crash diamonds on me, that's a charm. Big 40 on me, I'm on.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
We've been rather wrecking cars.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is that stakes for us? Kicking up cameras. Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we couldn't get off the skating tracks.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this good. Skid on the dirt, I'm bustin'. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being.
Ride her down.
I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step of help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack you in front of the witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking.
Just got back from vacation yesterday. Came to work. Work's over. It's time to ride. I know that's what you guys came here to see, considering, you know, you guys are here to watch dirt bikes. It's been a week and a half. So let's ride. Yo, bud. What's up? Yeah. Knocked my goggles down. That's like a cracked frame. ride her down.